Hello and welcome to this unboxing tutorial. Today I have with me the brand new boAt Stone 620 Bluetooth speaker. So let's quickly unbox it and check out all the features. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the Bluetooth speaker itself, neatly packed and ready to use. Right next to it, there are some boAt stickers, a small fun extra for the fans. Then we have the user manual, which explains all the buttons and features. Moving on, we find an aux cable for wired connections, a Type-C charging cable to power up the speaker, a warranty card for after-sales support, and a handy strap attached to the speaker for easy carrying. Looking at the speaker, the boAt Stone 620 has a compact cylindrical design. The speaker is also IPX4 water resistant. The boAt Stone 620 delivers 12 watts RMS Stereo Sound with a passive bass radiator.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Bluetooth mode.
It comes with a 2500 mAh battery. It feels sturdy and well built, and the buttons on the side are simple to access. This include the volume controls button, play pause power button, and the mode button. On the side, you will also find all the essential ports, a Type-C charging port, an aux port, and a USB port for multiple connectivity options. There's also a built-in microphone, so you can take calls hands-free and use voice assistants directly from the speaker. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tech unboxings.